Hello, this is Pascal with Inaudible Soundproofing. Today we are here to demonstrate the sound reduction power of the cellulose dense packed versus the mineral wool. I have an alarm here, a very loud alarm with a decibel meter. So let's get started. So right now we're averaging 118. Oh my god. So that would be 50. This is quite an upgrade from 118 to 50. It is definitely better. Let's see what the cellulose can do. I'd say we're about 34 decibels, right? So definitely superior. If I had to choose, I would definitely go with the dense pack cellulose for my soundproofing project. Thank you for watching, and call us if you have any soundproofing needs.